This short video is about PostgreSQL DBA. What exactly it is? What is Postgres? Before we proceed with Postgres, database, a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, fully secured. When we say any type of data, it is right from employee records to barcodes, QR codes, images, videos, audio files, anything, everything, what and what not. And any amount of data, unlimited amount of data, big data. To work with databases, we need a software called DBMS, Database Management System, a software to store, secure, and manage databases. Different companies have different brands of database management systems, and one such the most happening and very powerful DBMS in the market now, Postgres. Why? Open source, user friendly, support big data activities, very scalable and easy to implement. And that is what you will be experiencing in our practical step-by-step training classes at our SQL school. And Mr. Gunashekaran will be your trainer for Postgres. He has been with us, with our SQL school for more than 11 years. Total of 15 years of IT experience, exclusively almost 4.5 to 5 years on Postgres. Handled more than 600 plus batches with 100% completion and good amount of satisfaction from the previous students. At SQL School, we assure you complete practice-oriented sessions, right from the scratch, right from the basic, step by step. Come on, why we are waiting for? Let's bundle the technologies very carefully for our resume. And what to bundle? Yes, here it is. Let's choose Postgres and Azure combination. It works for experience profiles in specific and starter profiles as well. So the benefits of including Postgres in your resumes: to showcase database involvement and administration skill set, showcase HADR, high availability, disaster recovery, monitoring, and data recovery skill set activities, open source database management and cloud data management skill set, part of our Postgres trainings. Let's shape our resume together. So let's sell our resume for a competitive price in our interview room. Let's choose Postgres and choose SQL School. We are here. We have been here for more than 18 to almost 19 years, serving the training industry and nurturing, shaping up thousands and lakhs of profiles across the globe. We assure you our 100% commitment and careful, cautious learning process to suit your resume skill set. What you are waiting for? Come on, let's join hands together. Attend for 1 or 2 live classes, interact with the trainer, and then proceed from there. You may opt for live online trainings or self-paced video trainings and the detailed curriculum on our website, sqlschool.com. Complete details on our website. For Postgres, we have 2 different schedules, 2 different plans or 2 different levels. For starters, we have chapters 1 to 18 core Postgres DBA activities. And for experience profiles, we have starters and experience we have with Azure, PostgreSQL DBA with Azure. Detailed content, detailed curriculum on our website. I request you to go through it carefully. Please go through it. And any questions or clarifications, please do reach us. We'll take it from there. Thank you so much and see you soon in our live demo class, or you may request for a video demo. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you once again.